friends in YouTube. Today is July 10th, 2024. Snowee has 1,264 miles on her, and several of you had sent me emails instead of posting in the comments. One of you posted in the comments about my video at Southern Honda Powersports. It was too dark because I was under an awning and you couldn't see the seat. So I want to show you the seat in this video. This is the ultimate seat tall boy. And a lot of you sent emails simply because you didn't want to set me out or anything on that through the public comments. It's okay. Just say, hey, I couldn't see the seat, wasn't good quality. I'll reshoot the parts of the video so that you could see the seat. So that's what we're going to do now, is we're going to go over the seat. We're going to look at it close up and the other accessories I added on as well. Well, this here is the ultimate seat tall boy. One of the things that you may pick up on it is that it does have a backrest and it is a little thicker. Now, on the regular OEM seat, I could flat foot the ground. With this tall boy seat, I'm up on the balls of my feet. So it does lift up a little bit. As you can see, the arms on the backrest are a little longer than the OEM. Definitely thicker and heavily padded. And the seat rest is removable just like that. It's really simple. Then you have a little Velcro that you can just close it up. And you put it right back in and you're back to go. You can adjust, you sit it down when you get on, when you're mounting the motorcycle, put it up. You got a dial at the bottom where you can adjust it to pull it further back and stuff. That I did not know when I left the dealership, but I do now. So let's look at the other accessories that we added at Southern Honda Powersports. All right, while I was down at Southern Honda Powersports, I purchased the trunk light that has the built-in light strike lighting system, and then the luggage rack, which also has the built-in light strike technology. Now, there are 4 phases to this lighting system that I will go over real quick. And one is startup. When you first turn the bike up, you'll go through an initialization phase and it'll just do its little series. That's how I have it programmed. You can program it for different options. And then when it goes to just solid, that is my tail lights. That's just the way my running lights will look. If I hit my brake, you see the brake light. Then you're going to see if you're still holding the brake while some cars are coming up on you and you still haven't let go of the brake. Now you can see it modulating. Okay, so you have the startup, you have the running lights, this is currently what the running lights would look like. You have the brake light modulating. Then after you hold it for a few seconds, then it starts to modulate. This is basically when you're at a red light and you've been sitting there for 30 seconds or more with your brakes on. This gets somebody else's attention. All right, then blinkers, sequential, and then you have emergency flash system. So those of you that didn't get to, when you saw the Southern Honda Powersports video and these things weren't clear, you couldn't see them, I hope this makes up for it. If I'm doing a video, you do not see something, or it's not a good quality that you think it should be, it's okay to comment and let me know. Just say, hey Matt, can you reshoot this part or something, and I will be glad to do it. Well, until next time, just live your life.